Action, sir. Action.
Right, so we're going to try to slide that back one in first. Oops.
I need to bring the screw back a little bit.
Oh, yeah, where's that?
Here you go.
I still feel like it's a little bit too spread.
We might have to give it a little oomph.
I think it's just weird that it has the autotronic eye, but it doesn't have power windows.
Well, that was an option.
There's some strange,
Yeah, see, it's still not.
It still needs to come up.
It's not coming across.
Okay, grab your little pliers and let's just pull this back a skosh.
Is that a...
Let's give it a skosh. Just a fine adjustment.
Does it? So you bought the whole system and it works?
There you go. Carry on.
That dims the high beam, or it
There you go.
turns on the
There you go.
lights, or
There you go. Look at that.
And it just clips on.
It goes in and then the screw pushes against the back
yeah,
of that.
it
It's
locks
like a
it.
towel
That's
hanger, basically.
It is. It's exactly like a towel rack.
Yeah. It's still not enough.
We need to go a little more.
I'm going to bring this one.
Bring this one in.
But this one?
Bring this one in more. Bring this one in more. We need to just keep playing.
All right.
We play with way too much stuff.
There.
You're right there.
Oh, wow.
Push it down firm.
All right. Now.
You want me to hold it while you screw it, or?
Yeah.
Wait a damn minute. Oh, look at that. There it goes. Oh, girl, you got it. Oh.
Is it locked in? Or?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Paul. It's a thing of beauty. It's magic. Look at that. You happy?
Yeah.
Happy Paul. Happy Paul good.
What a guy.
Ooh.
That was an easy one.
Ooh, Oldsmobile rocket.
Yeah, I think on this part you gotta get
Ooh.
something to, if you could get maybe like I think like even a solder gun would do it, wouldn't? Don't you think of something that's not too high heat?
A little itty bitty, like baby flux core welder. You could tack it on the backside.
Yeah, but if you probably have to take this grill off. Though, 'cause
You'd have to
this
take
is
it out and get
fragile.
that bracket. Yeah, get that
Yeah.
bracket back on. That's the problem.
And it's
Is
part of all this assembly here.
it's all one piece.
Yeah. So you need somebody with little hands and
And some soldering fun time. Maybe braze it. A little brazing. Yeah.
The other thing is if it's the rattling noise is bothering you, you just probably
Could probably just zip tie it
Yeah,
and hide it.
ties or rubber or something to kind of. Yeah, because that's going to vibrate and hell. Yeah, zip tie. I mean, you could do a zip tie right now if you want to.
Yeah, zip tie it and be done.
Then it'll be good enough for.
Grab a zip tie, girl. So we're gonna rebuild this next week.
That's a fuel pump.
Let's get the carburetor. The fuel pump's down
Pump's
here,
right there.
and see how it has
Let's see where you were.
right here. See how it has these
Oh, that is. Mm-hmm.
tits on top? It's got fuel and vacuum.
Okay.
He does not need vacuum. Notice his vacuum is capped
cut
off,
off, yeah.
because he now has electric wipers.
Cheater.
So, the problem is he's had trouble with a certain place in the valley that won't install his
Yeah, these are.
new fuel pump because it wants the vacuum pump. Well, we just block it off back here on the carb and install his new pump and get rid of these hard lines, and we're done. It's very simple, but these guys don't have the concept of that, unfortunately. Yeah. And it's a known shop in this valley. I'm not going to say their name. Oh, well, Paul will.
Yeah, what's the name of it again?
Yeah, say it again. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, they don't know anything about old
I'm gonna
stuff.
feed it through from the bottom and then you kind of bring it around.
But there it is. Oldsmobile rocket.
Wow.
Rocket. You boys zip tying over there?
We're trying first.
JJ's in the house. He's back in town after a very long summer tour. But you were a touring celebrity all summer. You went everywhere, man.
Northern British Columbia through Maine,
Yeah, you went farther than
Brings to me.
farther than anywhere. 261,000?
31.
Oh, but who's counting?
It's almost as good as your Element. Was that a 250? How many does your Element have?
It's got 364,000.
Oh, so this is in the. Still
His Element's the only person's vehicle I know that has more miles than my truck. I'm at 313 on mine.
one with the square
I just put a water pump on mine this morning.
I have a 91.
Fun.
I have a 91 Ford Escort wagon.
I love
That has
those.
313,000.
Yes.
But it doesn't run. And it's either the fuel pump or the timing belt.
You know, we have longer.
And it's not
We have longer ones.
The timing belt's every 5 minutes in those.
Well, 50,000.
Oh, I've never had one last more than 30.
Really?
Yeah, and I've had 2 Escorts.
I've never had one go straight quicker than 50.
How many valves have you dropped? Or valve seats?
None.
I've dropped
secure the bottom half. You got
each car. We had 2 of them. I've dropped exhaust seats twice. But putting a head on one, I can do it in 2 hours now.
But I'm not going to fix it because the front end's going to shake off and go over 30 miles an hour.
Oh, man.
And it's measured and rusty.
Oh, it's going to fall apart. Yeah.
It's done.
It's done. It lived a good life. Oh, are we zip
I
tying?
bought that brand new. So November of 90.
Wow.
What phone is that? Is that the skinny one that Chris has, Grant? The phone that you have?
Man, we are.
Yeah.
The only thing that car has needed is an alternator. It's got the original starter, clutch,
Clutch?
clutch, all
Wow.
highway miles.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Wow. JJ, that's impressive. How many miles again? 3 what?
313.
313. So it's exactly where my truck's at. Wow. Wow.
What are you doing cleaning the back of it? I couldn't believe it.
Oh, that wasn't me. That was Scotty.
Well, okay.
Yeah, we can find things now.
Yeah. Just boy, a counter pin on the back of that truck.
Oh, yeah.
Not easy.
Yeah. Yeah, needle and haystack. Ooh, what do we got going? No, it's an Olds. It's far better than a Chevrolet. How dare you? How dare you?
Okay, what?
You act appalled.
Cut off your pieces.
Appalled as hell.
Cut one off down here, and then we'll do a top one. And
I have a 60 volts.
See it?
Ooh.
And the engine was tired. It was rebuilt, and I guess that was like a 1 or 2.
Oops. I know where there's an old convertible in town. That guy owes me money.
Oh, there you go.
He's in the club and he owes me money. How's he still in the club? No, I'm just kidding. We got to roll him. No, I'm just kidding. Sir, you're banned from going to club events until you pay the guy you owe money to. What?
yeah, we're gonna do one on the top with the brace.
Wow, we're going all.
We're doing.
How many zip tie surgeries are we doing?
We're doing top and bottom.
Wow.
All right.
Surgery.
So you have to go through the grill and around that thing there, and that ought to keep it braced on the. Now we're talking.
Is that one long enough?
Good group picture. Everybody working.
Everybody but Paul.
No, Paul's taking a break. Paul and I are discussing the next steps. Yeah, he's driven this since the dawn of existence.
How's it? Now it's
I've had it since
solid, strong as goes,
1998.
brother.
98.
Really?
Okay. Has it always been here, Paul, or something? No, I live in Eureka. Well, you and I did Eureka and then
Wow.
All your secure.
Look at that. Wait. Show it. Everybody shake it. Woo! Much better.
Saved you a well.
Look at that. Well, that's been a
That's
productive.
hillbilly engineering.
Yes, sir. You learned that term somewhere.
No, hillbillies can't call zip ties. Zip ties are for everybody. Half the Russian army's held
It
together.
is amazing.
So-
This space. Like,
Hillbillies would use duct tape.
Not on that. That's too pretty.
I remember if the
not on
car
the
had
bright
air
one.
conditioning, it would have the
Yeah.
The condenser would be
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Yes. Very nice.
Here,
A little Oldsmobile rocket action. All right.
This is like a
Isn't,
battery.
wait,
That's like
isn't
an
there?
old school.
Real deal.
So is that, did you have to
Yeah, he's got it off just in case.
It's how the
If we
battery
need to.
was when the car was new, but this is a modern battery.
Should we tighten that down?
What? Yeah, probably.
What is that, like a half inch?
9/16, I bet. Let me look. No, that's a half. I had to get my calibrated eye on it. What? It's fine. It's good. It's a little. Oh, that's a little where it dribbles out of the.
Well, let me show you something.
Oh, Paul, it's on video. You're in charge. Ow!
Oh, watch
Be
your head.
careful.
You're in charge. Paul's directing his own video now. Look at this.
Let me see, where is the...
We are on it.
I'm trying to where the vacuum can is for the brakes. Where are... Well, I really can't. Let me...
We'll
Be a flashlight.
Allie, give him a flashlight, ma'am.
Oh, there you go.
You're like, oh, this
There
one?
it is. Okay, there we go. See that can
Oh,
there?
Yeah, way
oh,
back.
That's like the GTO can.
Yeah, the GTO has
Those
a coffee
things
can.
are worth a lot of money.
Oh,
Is
kinda-
yours bad?
No, it's...
Oh,
The purpose of it is if
For your
the
vacuum.
engine stalls,
yeah,
and that's the vacuum for the power brakes.
right.
And it goes...
Look
through
at
that
us.
hose there.
Back in there.
That can.
That's incredible. It's all the way over.
Wait,
was
can
a
you
TV
show?
show.
Can you show that to Grant one more time?
Yeah. Give Grant a demo.